So to create your first business, you click on create new. All right, so let's add our company information. So I will use our company information. So you need the business registration number. Okay, so all this information will be used when you create your invoice, or you want to print out any report. Okay, so and the startup capital, this is for your reference only, it will not be shown to anyone. So then the company phone number, then email, and if you have a website, so you can put your website also. So primary business, is this your headquarter or your branch? And the company status, we set it as active, so set as default. So if you set it as default, this information will be used whenever you print out any report or any invoice. Okay, so your company address, so the country, and then your state. Okay, so and this is located at Cyberjaya. All right, so Cyberjaya, and then your postcode. So once the information has been filled up and is correct, you click on save changes. So this will save your business information, and you will see it among the list of businesses registered on your account. So to add more companies, you can click on create new, and if you want to edit, you just click on the edit button to change any information which is not accurate. Then once it's done, you click on save, and then this will save the changes. So if you want to delete this business information, you can click on this delete button, and this will delete this information from the list. Okay, so as you can see in this video, we have successfully added our first company information. Okay, so wait for the next video and we will go to another settings. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.